Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack someone else's back, the upper and mid back, two different ways. The first method is the double pump. You push once, put all your weight, and then you go for the second level and push for the crack. The second method is the elbow. So the spine is in between the elbows and you glide forward for the crack. Throughout the whole thing, make sure the person puts your hands like this and then the chin on a yoga mat. Luckily for me, I have my auntie to volunteer. Let's get to it, so let me show you how it's done.
Yes,
Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.